Mr. Vice President, the Advocates for Human Rights serves alongside the Foundation for Human Rights Initiative in Uganda on the steering committee of the World Coalition Against the Death Penalty. We note progress in the rule of law and recognize Uganda's de facto moratorium on the death penalty, its efforts to re-sentence people with capital sentences following the Ugandan Supreme Court's Kigula decision that declared mandatory death sentences unconstitutional, and its adoption of mitigation principles for capital sentencing as first steps toward ensuring Uganda's compliance with international human rights standards. Despite this progress, as of March of last year, 208 people remained on Uganda's death row. We are disappointed that Uganda did not support important recommendations related to the death penalty and the rights of defendants in capital cases. Persons accused of capital crimes face prolonged pretrial detention. While individuals facing trial may be legally detained for up to 1 year without trial, in practice, some have spent up to 5 years in detention waiting for trial. Pretrial detention contributes substantially to prison crowding. As of January 2016, the pretrial detention and remand population alone comprised 55.4% of all prisoners in Uganda. The situation with regard to the death penalty in Uganda requires the Council's sustained attention. We encourage the countries that offered recommendations on the death penalty to monitor the issue closely and to continue to press the Ugandan government to take additional steps toward the progressive abolition of the death penalty. We call on the Ugandan government to, 1, reconsider its position on the UPR recommendations concerning the death penalty, 2, make progress toward the abolition of capital punishment by adopting a de jure moratorium, and 3, encourage adoption of the Law Revision Penalties in Criminal Matters Miscellaneous Amendment Bill 2015, presently before Parliament, aimed at giving effect to the Kigula ruling by amending laws that provide for mandatory death sentences and reducing the number of offenses that are punishable by death. Thank you.
Thank you.